In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read and recover deleted or unsent messages on LinkedIn. Before we dive in, it's important to set expectations. LinkedIn does not offer an official way to restore messages that were deleted or unsent. In most cases, once something is removed from your chat, it's gone from your inbox permanently. That said, there are a couple of practical places to look that can still help you review what was said or keep a record for your own reference. The first place to check is your email inbox. If you had email notifications enabled for LinkedIn messages, LinkedIn often sends a copy of the message content at the time it was received. Even if the sender later unsent the message or you deleted it in the app, that original email might still contain the full text. Open your email and search for LinkedIn, the sender's name, or phrases like new message. Don't forget to check folders like updates, promotions, or spam, just in case. If you do find what you need, consider saving the email as a PDF or forwarding it to a notes inbox so you have a backup. Keep in mind, this won't restore the message inside LinkedIn itself, but it can give you a readable copy of the content. Your second option is downloading your LinkedIn data archive. This gives you a packaged export of your account information, and it may include portions of your message history. To do this, go to linkedin.com and sign in to your account. Click your profile name and open Settings and Privacy. On the left side, select the Data Privacy section. Look for the option to get a copy of your data and choose the larger comprehensive archive, which includes connections, contacts, and more. Then click Request Archive. LinkedIn will prepare your files and send you a download link, usually within about 24 hours. When your archive is ready, download and unzip the files. Inside, look for folders or files related to messages or conversations. Depending on LinkedIn's current format, these may be CSV or JSON files that you can open with a spreadsheet app or a text editor. Use search to scan for names or keywords from the conversation you're trying to review. You may find parts of your past conversation history, including items that no longer appear in your inbox. Results vary, so don't be alarmed if not everything is there. To wrap up, because LinkedIn doesn't provide a restore button, your best bets are email notifications and the data archive. Going forward, consider keeping important information outside the chat as a note or email copy. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more practical tips.